Mabuhay! I am Dr. Roy N. Villalobos, President of the President Ramon Magsaysay State University here in the Philippines. I would like to extend my warmest congratulations and salutations to the class of 2022 of the Omega International College, Singapore. You have successfully finished your respective diploma courses and degrees with determination and perseverance despite the challenges brought about by the ongoing pandemic. Your formidable spirit and sheer determination to finish your education despite the disruptions brought about by the global contagion are manifestations of your passion to develop yourself professionally and personally. The technical know-how, knowledge, and values that Omega International College has equipped you shall be your strong foundations as you go out in the global market and be part of the human complement of your country or abroad. As we continue to face this highly disruptive society, I would like to remind you to stay focused on your life goals, to stay grounded on your principles, and to use your skills and knowledge in contributing positively to our global society. Again, congratulations to all of you. Mabuhay class of 2022. Mabuhay Omega International College.